Mini apple pies with puff pastry. Make irresistible mini apple pies in minutes. You can use pre-made homemade apple pie filling and store-bought puff pastry sheets to create deliciously easy desserts, perfect party treats, sweet snacks in minutes. Let's make it. Bismillah. First, make the apple pie filling, which you can cook days before. 4 to 5 apples, sweet and tart mixed. Peeled, cored and chopped. Add chopped apples to wide cooking pan. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. A pinch of nutmeg. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1½ tablespoon of cornstarch. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. 1/8 cup of water. 1/4 cup of butter. Mix well and cook on a medium heat until thickened. About 5 minutes. Let it cool down and set aside. Once cools down, fill in the airtight container. You can keep this apple pie filling in the refrigerator for 1 week, or in the freezer for 2 months. Now, whenever you want, make these mini pies. Take some frozen puff pastry sheets or roll the puff pastry dough about 1/4 inches thick. Cut into 3 inches round circles. Now cut from the center 2½ inches circles. Follow the process. Carefully transfer to baking sheet. You can line the baking sheet with baking paper or silicone mat. Brush it with beaten egg. Filled with spoonful of apple pie filling. Sprinkle raw sugar. Bake it in preheated oven on 375 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until puffed up and turned golden. Note: bake time also depends on size of pastries. Serve warm pastries with vanilla ice cream and caramel sauce. If you like this recipe, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe for upcoming recipes. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.